I should have tested the sound of this, but I think we're fine. Um, Hello. This is not the regularly scheduled programming because I want to do some design exploration. I'm not even going to design anything probably. I just want to look at what's out there, get inspired by Behance and Dribbble, my two design platforms of choice. I will put on some music and set my audio to standard. Ooh, you know what I should also do? This is what I should also do. Yes. Uh, I am confused, and that's okay. Well, ah, cool. We did it. Anyway, I wanted to put on some music. Let's call it, uh, you know what's weird? I've been getting all these recommendations for Nintendo music videos, and now I'm not seeing them anymore in my recommendations. YouTube always gets it wrong. Okay, Nintendo music 10 hours. Let's go with this one. Banger. Okay, I probably want to make it even a little bit louder, like this. Yeah, so now my voice is definitely still over in the music. Okay. Um, Hello, hello. We're gonna take a look at some Behance today. I just very quickly want to go ahead and prepare my desktop. To reflect the work that we're about to do, which mainly involves closing a lot of windows. All right. I have a design direction that I want to think about. And the design direction is neo-brutalism. Okay. And neo-brutalism looks like this. So there's a lot of... I kind of hate that I can't zoom in with two fingers without a trackpad. There's a lot of contrast and a lot of white and black and very punchy colors and simple shapes. That's how I would describe it. And it doesn't really work for messaging, is what I found. Because a messenger is not really trying to create a lot of contrast in the design colors, but between the text and the background color. So I mean, we could try this. I kind of do like it that way. See, this is amazing. I love this. Oh my god, I want to see what this guy has in his profile. Who made this? Stephanie. I said this guy. Oops. This gal. It's weird, like, these don't seem like they go together at all. Is there like a related in Behance or something? Like, can I go and see more like this? There's a lot of tags. None of them have anything to do with the design direction. Well, let's save it. I don't think I'm logged in. I'm just quickly gonna go sign into my Adobe account. Which I haven't used in a very long time. And I hope I still have the right password. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Saved. New mood board, brutalism. Okay. It has been saved. I'm also gonna appreciate it, because I do appreciate it. Well, I mean, the more I look at it, though, it doesn't quite feel right. See, this one, I could see working for a messenger. I should also remember these fonts, because they might be relevant later. I did take a picture of this ad on the New York subway that I really like, which I will show you right now, if I can figure out how to show it to you. I'll just do this. You can see it now. Okay. So this is something I really like to see. These like thin black outlines on white content with a darker but still very bright background. And then these colors are very beautiful. So we got like a pastel pink, a very punchy green, and a very light baby blue. And also the typography here is very well done, in my opinion. So, yeah, that's what I've been thinking. I do like a lot of this. I really like a lot of this. Okay. So what we kind of have established now is that we have a drop shadow that's sometimes just a second outline. I think if we add design at the end of it, it might get a little bit more focused. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna create a Notion page where I'm gonna screenshot a bunch of shit. And I'm gonna call it Brutal Messenger Mood Board. And the cover is gonna be this image. I don't know. I don't really have anything to go by. Let's see. We do want to screenshot this one. We do want to screenshot this one. We do want to get a stylized image in at the very top of it. I do want to capture this one. And then this also kind of works, but the resolution is horrible. Can we get a more high-res version of this? Is this a search? Oh, it's a tag. Oh my god, that's very helpful. I really like this one as well. Man, I've been saying that neo-brutalism is going to be the next big thing. I also really like this one, combining. Do I see a texture in the gradient? I think I do. Yeah. Wow, this is very well done. I do also want to get this one. And how about we just copy the link to this entire tag? And then embed it or something. Link, embed. I think this works, right? Yeah. Well, if we can embed it, then I don't want to have it at all. Okay, let's see what this guy did. I hate that it's a landing page, but not a full messenger. What have you built recently? Nothing. Great. So I really hate this. I really like this. Let's also take this one. It seems like she's doing a personal brand with neo-brutalism and she didn't work on any client projects. I mean, this is very 2022, right? Like last year, that would have been the hottest, most amazing design ever. Man, she's great. I wanna follow her. Oh. Well, gotta sign in again. Do I have a double account? I do have a double account. Nice. Follow. Yes. Man, she's amazing. She has collections. I love that this one still represents an older design language. When did she post this? It must have been very recent, like this month maybe. These have a posting date? No? Oh. Oh. Like late March. It is still pretty recent. Okay. I think we got some stuff here. I think we might be able to. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Ooh, this is very nice. So this one they could have done better by making the cards white. Like here. It feels like the lines are a little bit thin here, but other than that, I really like it. do want to figure out the font. Does she say anywhere which font she used? Wow. Well, this one is not designed by her then, because this is not WorkSense. And oh my god, does it not work? Is this free? Wow. That's fucking awesome. I will use this. For sure. Okay. Man, I feel inspired right now. Let's create a new file. And let's get started. I do want to get a 14 Pro in here. Oops. What are antenna gaps? Oh, the things on the side. Well, let's take this one then. Nice. And we don't need you. Oh, well, we kind of need you. I do want to. Wait, how do I like break the component? Like this, okay. Because I don't want you, and I also don't want you, I think. I mean, maybe we just make it extremely transparent, like 10%. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Replace me default. So where does the corner radius come into play? Right here? Yes. Okay. So this thing we then want to use as our screen basis. Can I just please create a new frame with this? Okay. There we go. Okay. This is the basis for our content. And I think I do want to turn this into a component. If I remember how that works. Yeah. And now I should be able to go in here and then replace this with a component. Yeah. And then if I give this one new styles, I'm not really feeling this. Okay, wait, what if I duplicate you, name you empty screen, and name you full screen. And let's just turn this one into a 50% opacity. Oops. Ah. That's right. Why can't I detach the instance here? Excellent question. Let's just duplicate this one. And turn you into a component. And turn you into a component. Name you full screen. And add a little box. And then let's see if I'm able to... Yes. Empty screen. I love it. Okay. So now we can go ahead and create our designs. So let's call it chat. Our chat doesn't have anything in it yet. And I probably want to fill it with a black color. Oops. No, no, no. Yes. Okay, so we've established that we use this font, Dash Display. I, to be honest with you, have zero clue how to add custom fonts in Figma. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Flash. All your fonts and action fonts. Cool. I love it. Now please let me import a new font. So here's my thinking. I think I want to use the local Figma editor and use a local font and download this. Wait, what is the license on this actually? Let's ask ChatGPT to summarize what the license allows us to do and not to do. Explain the 285-year-old. Okay, perfect. I want to sell something that uses the font, but I don't want to sell the font itself. We have a Figma editor open. I do want to install the update to Figma. And I do want to install the font that I just downloaded. Have I installed it? Maybe. Yes. I've installed it. Cool. Let's get it. And open our little file that we just created. Cool. That's me. Right there. Okay. So now I should be able to... I mean, first of all, this is what I wanted. Make it a bit bigger. Make it a lot bigger. And see if I can use flash display. Yes. Nice. I really like this font. Huge fan. Cool. So let's try to design some chats. This is surely not going to be difficult to do. So what we've learned is that we want to have a vibrant background color. And a drop shadow on the text. I mean, we do want to stroke it probably. We can probably even go with a 2. And we do want to give it a drop shadow. With 0 blur, a distance of 2x4, a 100% opacity. I think we're getting somewhere. Not looking great. Maybe I should just copy the color values of some of the things we've seen. I do like this yellow, which is I always forget how to do this. I think Command F is to freeze it or something, or Command L to lock. Yeah, and then we can copy it as text. But does it actually copy as hex? I think so, right? Yeah, perfect. So we don't want to do this. Nice. That's not horrible. And then we do cards. We do need icons. We could use Font Awesome and just add it, but I don't think that's fully license-wise allowed. One thing I could do is add a black bar at the top. So this doesn't look super ugly. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Let's start by doing a little rounded rectangle with a white fill and a 3-point stroke. And this thing contains a chat. I think what we can do oh man, we'll do that later. And now let's add some text in here. Call it add John. We give it 60. And we add some text. Generate a believable conversation between two people on iMessage, which will function as a design template. Give me 10 messages per person. No emojis. Oops. I like this one. So we make it wait, why can't I? Oh. How do I make sure that it does ellipses for text that's too long? This way. Okay. We probably want regular. Is there a space before the I? Yes. What about medium? Yeah, okay. And then we put it up here, and we call it 5 min ago. Make the font even smaller. Oh, that's very small. Make it right aligned, auto width, and regular. I think all of this is a little bit too big. Like 40 would be an okay size for normal text elements. And this could maybe be like, I don't know, maybe even just 30. And then this is 40. This is 20. This 16 is like normal paragraph text, right? Like, am I crazy? This looks tiny now. Maybe the font is just not the right size point-wise. That would explain it. Yeah, this looks like normal size. I do think we can definitely increase the distance of this shadow a little bit. Yeah, that's the stuff, dude. And then maybe give this box a bit more of a radius, like 40. Nice. That's good stuff, man. Now, can we mix it up a little? Like, I think I should have framed this and not rectangled it, but we can still fix it. If I just go ahead and put these into the frame, delete the rectangle, give it a background color, and a stroke of 3 points. And we just set this to 40. Okay. So how about we start adding some constraints to this? Top left, top right. and then we have left, right, and bottom. Right? Yeah. And let's duplicate this. Move it down. Move it down. Move it down. Ooh, what happened to the time? Ah, shoot. The time needs to go inside as well. That's better. Wait, what? Oh, I duplicated it. Yeah, that's the stuff. Whoops. I'm a little worried about the iconography. Because we don't really have an answer for that yet. This is 30 minutes ago. This was an hour ago. And this is a day ago. We got John, Betty, Knish, because I just saw Rounders, the movie, and Jeremiah. I can spell the guy. What you got, ChatGPT? Well, that was a mistake. Oh, come on. Let's just copy this value, do this, put it here. Oops. Do we make it smaller though? No, actually, I don't think we do. Maybe just do this. Make one about a barbecue. It's difficult to copy this. Okay. How do we make this a bit more visually interesting? I'm thinking we could make the white a little bit grayer, like a little beige, maybe. Does it look better or worse? I guess alternating colors isn't really a thing in NeoVirtualism, huh? Well, here's what we could do. We could give all of them a tiny tint. So we'd use this to differentiate them. I'm thinking we might even go a little lighter. Of course, we want to see it in an HSL representation. Yeah, I don't dislike this. So let's color all of these So this one would get a slight hue rotation that way. This one would be blue. And then this one we can make pink. Yeah, why not? Not bad. We might even want to go a little bit lighter on the color. But I think it's okay for now. The important part is that we have to find a way to make the message screen work. I think if these four colors just alternate and you have green, yellow, blue, and red, I think that's good. Okay. Icons, iconography. There's a couple different answers to this. So I do like the Apple, what is it called? SF Symbols? Yeah. In Figma file because it gives it to you as an SVG and you can really customize it a lot. So we would go ahead and take a look at the what do we have? Person.fill is probably the one I'd go with. Well, we're not even finding it. Dude, I hate this. Like, can I just copy it as an MVG or something? As an SVG? Copy image as SVG. Oh, well, that kind of works. I don't know what this color does. Fucking nothing. Just fill, group, vector. Yeah, I mean, give it a stroke. Outside, black. Wait, that's not working. Give it a stroke. What do we do to the text? We had a 2 outside with a drop shadow. And just copy this. No. Oh, oops. Name text shadow. Text shadow. Nice. That does look pretty good. So that's how our dude, what do you mean lock it? It just doesn't lock it at all. Like this. That's pretty good. Now, the chat is gonna be the difficult part. I almost feel like this color is a bit too punchy now. Like maybe if we just lighten it up a tiny bit. Yeah, that's a bit more friendly. And then we can also give all of these the tiniest of tiny drop shadows. So it would, of course, be blur 0, and I think we can do 2-4. It's 100%. I think that looks really good. I think that looks really, really good. So I would turn this into a style. Card shadow. So that we can give all of these the main card shadow as well. Nice. Really nice. I think we're doing well here. Not really a huge fan of all the regular font. I think we do want to set it to medium. That's better. But how do we turn this into something that works in a chat? That is an excellent question. So I think we take the back arrow we could do something like this. Copy image as SVG. Leave this as reference. And then break out the vector like we did before. Remove this. Copy the style. Give it a fill of white, 100%. And give it the stroke. Main text shadow. Main text stroke. We can fix that. We can fix that. We can union it. We can flatten. Oh no. Wait. Yes. No. Dude, what the heck is going on here? Ooh, yikes, dude. Let me try something here. It kind of works. But the arrow is like fucked. Because it, like... Okay, we got this, we got this. This kind of works. But I do want to fix this goddamn vector. Because who the fuck at Apple greenlit this one? It's way better. Wait, so this point is at a... Yeah, I want to give him the same. Why? Come on, Apple, you can do better than this. Jesus Christ. We knew I'd be fixing Apple's vector graphics today. Done. So with this one, I'm kind of thinking the angle doesn't quite work. Anyway, we'll fix that later. So now, the difficulty is, how do we make chat bubbles work? Because I think this just doesn't cut it for a chat. What I'm thinking is go a bit more red, and then go extremely light on the color. It's crazy how well I hit this one. And I'm thinking, of course, we go like this is the conversation we want to go with. So let's copy this entire thing out. See, what I don't know is how to make Figma like size this appropriately and then size the parent to fit. Like, I've set all these constraints, but it just doesn't give a shit. Like, because this one has a... This one has a size. Like, how can I give it an automatic size? Of the child element. I guess I could Google it. Figma frame size according to child. If you want the dimensions of the frame to readjust to the contents, you can click the Resize to Fit button in the Properties panel to the right. Resize to fit. Aha! Aha! What about padding though? Have you considered padding? I'm not the biggest fan of this song. Okay. Let's Google it. Figma resize to fit padding. Auto layout, they say. Auto layout. Auto layout. I don't have that button, my man. What the heck? Oh. Whale. Here's what I'm thinking. If these two were their own component, then suddenly this becomes a trivial endeavor, right? I see. Well, that's pretty damn cool. That's pretty damn cool. So now this thing is also auto-layouted. Just left to right. Everything aligns in the center. We set this to 0. How do I... Oh. Well, how do I make you the entire width of the full thing? Where did the time go? Nice. Okay, I think we fully auto-layouted this thing now. I do kind of want to make this bigger, but hopefully now if I make it bigger, it just kind of works. Kinda. Almost. Well, this one should... Nice. This is really cool. So... Well, we kind of have a problem now because I did this to the one with only one line. So I kind of have to eye it. But it seems to work like this. And then I want to increase this one probably to 40. Well, maybe this one to 30, and this one to 50. Nice. Maybe let's give it a bit more, like 40 and 50. Yeah, that's good. I like that. And then this one should probably actually be up aligned. Nice. That's really cool, dude. I just learned something. Learning Figma auto layout together. Well, anywho. Ooh. Hide set to fix for AI free this weekend. I love it. Okay. Well, now that we've learned this, how the hell do we design the chat, though? Like, how do we make it look reasonable? Is this white? It doesn't look white. I guess we could use this color for the back button. Yeah, that kind of works. We probably want it to be a little bit lighter. I'm getting sidetracked. Let's... So we need an input box here where people can type text. We also need to design the chat bubbles themselves. I am now wondering if I kind of want to... Yeah, let's do this properly and break up this thing. I just broke up the wrong thing. I just broke up the right thing. And then go in here, take this beautifully designed thing, replace all of these with this thing. How much space did I give it before? Like this much. Then we take Betty, who said 30 minutes ago something. It does seem like we are in a bit of a pickle when it comes to making the text the height of the content. Anyway, Betty said this 30 minutes ago. Maybe 32. And Betty said that with a background color of this. And then we do actually want to take this longer text and put it in here. See now, how does it get its height if it's hugging the content? Ah! Ah! Nice. Okay, that's way better. So how do we fix this? I think we set this one to full container, we set this one to hug, and we set this one to don't. Yeah, so now they should all be the same. Cool. Let's set you down here. This is Knish. set this 1 hour ago. This one has a background color of this blue. And lastly, Jeremiah has something to say. Jeremiah has a lot to say. And we're done parameterizing all of this stuff. Nice, good work, team. You can go. Thank you very much. So here's what I'm thinking. I do want to create a new style and call it sub card shadow, and just make it a little bit more calm, less pronounced. And give it like a 1 and 2. That's not tiny though. Like maybe a 1.5 and a 3. I think that's better. How do I change the freaking style? Yeah. Oh, this is how I change this. Does this look less to you than this? I don't think it does. Like maybe slightly. Ah, whatever. Okay. So what if we make it white? That works. Maybe this is a 50. And this hugs content. Well, yes and no, because we do want to I think we still have this broken, yes. And then hug. Top left. Okay, I think we're good to go. So this one I do want to give a yes. Okay. So the big price question is how do we the now we have the challenge of making this text bubble that actually looks not like a piece of shit. And I think that's challenging. We could go all out on this. Um, doesn't look horrible. Wait, let's take a look at some of the colors that we have here. What if we do a neon green background and use this yellow as the previous yellow? Where's the color meter? That's not the color meter. This is not, this is the color meter. Okay. So let's take this one and copy it as text. And create a yellow. This kind of works. I think we have to saturate these a bit more now, but we can do that in a tiny bit. And we give you yellow. And we take the green and call it green. Green. Yellow. It kind of works, doesn't it? Am I crazy for thinking this works? But it doesn't really work. I mean, no, I don't like the green. But I do prefer the yellow. I mean, maybe we can go a tiny bit warmer. Yeah, so I think between the three options, this is actually the best one. And then what about this one? What can we do here? I mean, how far off is it from this one? What is text? Not too far off. I do kind of like the nose map making it a tiny bit more. Yeah. It kind of works. I think it kind of works. Wait, so this is yellow. This is beige. This should be yellow, but it's not. Oh, it is. I don't know, man. I think it kind of works. I think it works. Let's go with it. Why the hell not? Now the compose field is going to be a bit challenging, but I think it's kind of just this. Can we get a keyboard in here, please? I might just be lazy and screenshot my own keyboard on a light-colored app, like WhatsApp. Although that's not quite right, because it does take on a tint. Ugh. How am I gonna do this? Maybe WhatsApp? WhatsApp is white, right? Yeah. That's fine. Let's just use this. So let's wait for it to sync over to my Mac. Which I think it just did. Nice. Here we go. Can't copy it. Wait, what? Huh? I can copy it. Okay, nice. So you go here, and then we crop. This doesn't look quite right. There would be recommendations there. No. Maybe we just fill this in with a little cute little rectangle. Yeah, that's fine. And then the little, this thing should be whoop, right here. And should have way less padding and stuff. And then like way more rounded corners. How tall is it? So 60 should be the perfect. Where do I specify how it rounds corners again? Oh, anyway, this is fine. And I think we kind of want to try it without the stroke, without the shadow. Like maybe 50%. I think it should look different. Yeah. And then we just get a little send button. And we do that by putting you. We should do it by framing this. and then expanding the frame and duplicating the content and putting it no text for you. Okay. Uh-huh. I mean, first of all, who the fuck are you? Secondly, this thing should be full container. Yes. And now we kind of have a thing going on. Do I want to give you... Okay, well, first of all, we want to add a little send icon. Arrow up. Arrow up. Copy as SVG. Insert. Whoops. Well, that doesn't work. Fix. Yeah, that's better. Why can't I center you? What the heck? What? Is it because of the auto layout thing? It's probably because of the auto layout thing. Yeah. That's better. I think I still want it to be like a tiny bit smaller. And then maybe experiment a little bit with this. Maybe the yellow? Maybe. It kind of works. Man, I think we need a new color. I don't think the yellow is quite it. Maybe the purple? Let's try the purple. Nope. I like the purple. Purple boy. And then this can be purple too. Yeah, why not? Why the hell not? And now we don't have to be super compatible with the yellow anymore, so we could make this one a little bit more... Nah, it should be kind of yellow. What if we make the purple a bit more punchy? Can we make the purple a bit more punchy? I don't know. What about this, huh? Kind of messenger. Kind of. Maybe this should be white after all. Yeah. Yellow works way better. Let's not fuck with the purple for now. Maybe we make this one purple. Nah. I don't know yet. I'm not brave enough. Maybe later. How are we feeling? I'm feeling good about this. So the only thing that I'm not quite sure how to do yet is the video reactions. That's going to be a thing. You need a different UI, namely chat. And I guess you can go fuck yourself. I think we're getting somewhere. So how would we add something to this button, to this chat bubble that lets us interact with reactions? That is the question. That is the question. Like if I just do something goofy and we put an eye here. It is incredibly goofy. I kind of love it, to be honest. No, we can't do that. That's fucked up. Okay, what kind of eye symbol do we have? So here's my thinking. We take this little guy, put him here, give it a fill of, first of all, extract the vector from the stuff, delete you, give it a fill of 100 white, give it the main text stroke, give it the main text shadow, And then we take the check mark, copy it as SVG, we frame you, oops, nope, we frame you, we paste the checkbox, we extract the vector, we subtract the selection, that looks pretty good. I do think that we need to decrease the shadow a little bit. Like this. I don't know. I don't know. It's almost like I want these lines to be thicker, but I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. Like, stroke outside black, right? And then flatten. Did I make it bigger with that? I don't know. Stroke outside to wait. Let's just duplicate you. Duplicate. Let's just manually duplicate you by copying you. And then take you out of there. Add 2-point outside stroke. Give you 100%, of course. Wait, that's something I should do first and foremost. Like, this vector needs to have 100% fill. Okay. Then we flatten and put you back inside. How is this possible? This doesn't look very flattened to me. Well, I guess we could make it a bit shorter. And make it bigger. This looks much better. I think I want to make it even shorter, to be quite honest. Like at this point I might as well redraw the whole thing. Right? No thanks. Yeah, this looks way better than this. Wait. I should not have done this that way. Like, at all. We totally want to go and do it over here. That kind of works, I think. Does it look like a button, though? I don't know, man. What if we make it green? Oh, I haven't even made green a color. Oopsie. Green. Still doesn't look like a button. Like, do you want to tap that? Wording. What if I make it yellow? Oops. Oh, no. Mine looks tappable. What if we make it purple? You know, I think it has to work this way, where this is part of the bubble. And it's like white or something. Well, wait. It's never... So we can make use of the fact that the one that gets seen is always our own bubble, right? So then we can put it in here. And make it yellow. I like that. I think we could even go ahead and make it green. Yeah, dude, we got something going here. I think this beige needs to change though. It's too red in my opinion. Yes. Oh my god. Damn, dude. I'm pretty happy with that. So the last component we're missing still is the... No, that's not what I want. Well, frame it, center it. The last component we're missing is the video player, and that's kind of it. That's kind of it. Ugh. Feeling pretty good. So I gotta go in like an hour-ish. Does make you wonder? if a different color would work better here. Ooh. I do like the blue. I do like the blue. And by the way, this is the app icon now. So I do feel pretty good about this. One thing I kind of want to do is bring these closer together, so I think we can just set this to 0. And then when you tap anywhere on the message, that's when you see the response video. And the beautiful part is now we can have different colors for senders. So let's say one person is green, the next person is red, pink, and it automatically adjusts their checkmark, right? That's really beautiful, man. This is amazing. And here you could see your own color, yes. Oh my god. I'm in love with this project. Okay. Video player. Video player. Video player. Video player is not going to be fun. Not going to be fun. Well, I guess we could kind of do a... I'll have to think about it. I'll have to think about it. Is this still necessary, by the way? It is not. Okay. Let's go in and get an X mark. Copy as G. So I could make it bold, actually. That would probably look a lot better. For the... So we put you in here. We take the vector out. We remove this. And we place you... Yes, that does look a lot better. So let's use bold for the back arrow as well. We are now in union. Congrats. Whoops. Back. Why did it zoom into there? Nobody knows. we take you as replacement for you. Put you right here. That's better. Seriously. Ah. Latin? Nope. Dude, why the fuck? Why the fuck did it not happen before I... Oh, so I do want to have a rectangle in here. Jesus fuck. Okay, whatever. Let's not get overly invested in this. Example image. I do kind of hate all of these. I don't know why I don't like them, but they just look like stills. Like, they don't look like a screenshot from a video, you know? I guess this one could be a blog or something. Oop, 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 oop. Well, one thing we can try out here is wait, why can't I center it? Oh, it's completely on its own. That's great. One thing we can try out here is the background color, because I do think it should be a white. Because no, it should be black. It should be black. Which makes our like neo-brutalism doesn't go together with white like at all. With dark mode at all. That's my theory, at least. So we would try to invert all the colors, and I don't think that that's going to work. Yeah, that clearly doesn't work. Well, we could make one of them not black but gray, or we just use color, like a yellow or something. But it has to be a very dark color. Like, okay, let's use our yellow, unlink it, move you all the way here. Just doesn't look quite right. Maybe we wanna do a shadow that's only 50% opacity. Doesn't look right at all. So we could put it in a wide circle, but that's a bit of a cop-out. Or we do this, like put you in a frame, make the frame fill yellow, make the union fill white, and then we go regular X stroke and text shadow. Give you a border radius of 1000. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Like, why, if I make this one bigger, this get bigger? I don't want that. Center, center. Okay. This kind of works. We probably want it to be less opacity, but it works. Why not? We could also use the beige instead. We'll give this a 60% opacity. Yeah, I think that works. That's not perfect, but it works. Also on wide content, I think. Maybe we do want to do the yellow. At a 60%. Yeah, this is good. Why not? So the progress bar is going to be a bigger challenge, I think. This should actually be over here, like there. Progress bar. Because here we're now working with 3 different colors, right? We have the background, the foreground, and the shadow. And they all have to be separate from each other. Well, I guess they don't have to be separate from each other. I don't think anybody has built a Neo-Brutalist progress bar. Or a video player, for that matter. That's a little intimidating. I don't know, man. Like, I kind of just want to say, let's do this. Make it a lot narrower. do a white. %, fill. Text shadow, text stroke. It doesn't feel great, if I'm being honest with you. It does not feel great. But I don't know if I have another solution. Yeah, I really don't know. And then you would kind of just draw a rectangle to subtract from it. Well, I guess that doesn't work. This works. So it would be like this. No. This has to be a rectangle. It cannot be a frame. So let's just draw a rectangle and then copy all of these values. 17 and 20, 17 and 20, and 10, 22, 17. The radius is relevant. The fill is white. The stroke is main text, and the effect is main text. And then we can do this. Draw another rectangle. Subtract. And now it works. It does look kind of shitty, doesn't it? Ugh. Maybe we just do normal kind of modern video player that's not Neo-Brutalist. Or we make the background color of this beige. But even if we do that, there's no guarantee that there will be space up there. What if we give these two a fill of white? I guess that kind of works. And then we can make it even less transparent, like 30%. I think that works. Yeah, okay. I also don't think there's ever going to be content up there. Like, we could also just make it a lot smaller and give it a static header. Like, I don't quite know. I don't quite know. I think we just do a normal video player. Like, I don't have a master for this right now, and all of these things look like shit. So, let's just not bother with that for now. Like, the big problem is that this thing needs to be taller than this thing. So if you put them next to each other, it looks stupid. If you put them underneath each other, it looks stupid. It just always looks stupid. Well, unless we put the progress bar at the bottom and the X at the top. You know what? I'm gonna get some water. And I'll be right back. Unfortunately, coming back to this and looking at this again doesn't make it look any better. Well, I guess the compromise is literally just taking this, and then when the content does extend vertically, which to cover it. Okay. Then you can see that there's actually a shadow behind it, right? So I think that might be the smartest move. And I also think we want to have the no, I think this is the best solution. It covers literally all the screens we have right now. So I mean, what is left to design? I think the answer is nothing. I think we are fully there. We have a chat overview, we have a chat, and we have the video screen. That's all the screens the app's probably going to have for a while. Sure, you know, there's going to be a search bar to start a new conversation with somebody. There's going to be a profile screen. There's going to be onboarding. But I think for those, it makes sense to build the app a bit more before we do another design session. Yeah, no, I am kind of happy with this, and I think I'm gonna end it here. And I will be back tomorrow? Question mark? Yeah, why not? I'll be back tomorrow. For coding day number 5, right? Probably starting with implementing this new design, and then coming up with a video recorder that actually makes sense. We have most of the heavy lifting done. I think tomorrow might be a good day to start compiling and sending this to the App Store. We do have to figure out a way to host it on a server, but I think there is an easy solution for this by just using a 4-core Amazon AWS instance, starting 3 Celery workers and having 1 Django worker. And then that way we should be set pretty much for at least 50 people using this app. I don't think more than 4 people, 5 people are going to be using it, so that's plenty. And I can always scale up the Celery workers if necessary. Okay, so bottom line, this is what we came up with. Doesn't look like much, but it feels like a lot. Because I've never really been able to make a near brutalist text messenger work. So this is actually pretty cool. The one thing that's missing here is media uploads. So let me actually try something real quick. You can see the screen, right? Yes. Okay. So if we take this one and we copy it again as a bold arrow, and we go ahead and we insert it into this frame, removing this one, and giving it a smaller size. What? I did not mean to flip it. Like this. We fill it with the blue that we just had, still called purple. We do the main text stroke and the main text shadow. We draw a rectangle and subtract. Subtract the selection. Kind of works, huh? I do think we want to use the part shadow though. Yeah, that's more like it. And I think we even want to make it a bit smaller. And of course increase the spacing here. What if we rotate this little guy? That kind of works. Minus 45. Spacing back to 10. Yeah, I like that. And then we do want to copy this, put it in the front, set the angle back to 0, get a media, get a video, get a camera, get a video, get an image, a picture. I like this one. Yeah, why not? Why not? Maybe I just want to add a little rectangle as a spacer in between here. Like a little 0, 0. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. It is going to be a challenge to design this shadow. But I have an idea. It is going to be a little tricky to do it properly for this little guy here. Because as you can see, it does actually require the exact shape. And you can't approximate it with like a just a black rectangle below it. But yeah, this is going to be a little tricky as well. I think we have a chance. I think I have a couple of ideas to do this. Cool. Okay, that's really it now. I again completely forgot which coding day it was yesterday. So let me just quickly look this up to get a feeling for how many days are left in this 7-day challenge. I will say how many days are left. I will say that this one has been kind of, yeah, so it was day 4. So we got 5, 6, 7 left, 3 days. I will say that this one has been a little bit extra, like a bit out of the calculation for the 7 days, because designing something wasn't really part of my calculation before, and I just wanted to make it super simple, but I felt like we had a lot of time left, and we did actually have some time to make this a little bit more beautiful. I wanted to give it a proper shot to create a real design language for it. Okay, kids. It's time for me to go. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.